The Pentagon has said that its Navy ship conducting navigational rights within India's exclusive economic zone without the permission of New Delhi was inconsistent with international law. India had lodged a strong protest against such a move by the US regarding the passage of US Navy ship John Paul Jones through its EEZ. I can tell you is that the USS John Paul Jones, a Navy destroyer, accepted navigational rights and freedoms in the vicinity of the Republic of the Maldives by conducting innocent passage through its territorial sea in normal operations within its exclusive economic zone without requesting prior permission. Pentagon spokesperson John Kirby told reporters on Friday. That's consistent with international law. Again, we continue to maintain the right, indeed the responsibility to fly, sail and operate in accordance with the international law, he said in response to a question from reporters at a Pentagon news conference. Kirby said that it is the responsibility of the US to uphold the freedom of navigation and the rights and freedom and lawful uses of the sea recognized in international law. Expressing the concern over the incident, India said, "We have conveyed our concerns regarding this passage through our EEZ to the government of USA through diplomatic channels." In a statement, the Ministry of External Affairs said, "The USS John Paul Jones was continuously monitored transiting from the Persian Gulf towards the Malacca Straits. The government of India's stated position on the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea is that the convention doesn't authorize other states to carry out in the exclusive economic zone and on the continental shelf military exercises or maneuvers, in particular those involving the use of weapons or explosives without the consent of the coastal state." News Desk Kaumudy, English.